Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful YouTube fam. It has been a little bit since I posted my last video, but I am here today, so thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Anna. I post new videos every single week about home, fashion, and lifestyle. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of a mini haul jewelry unboxing. I am doing this in collaboration with Ana Luisa. If you haven't seen my previous video with them, I can link it in the description below, but I absolutely love and believe in this brand so much. I love their jewelry and their products. They have such beautiful luxury jewelry at such an affordable price. There is something on their website for everyone. Before I jump into the unboxing right away, I just wanted to share with you a little bit of info about Ana Luisa because it's definitely a company worth checking out, especially with Black Friday around the corner. I think they have so many jewelry pieces on their website that make a perfect gift for your friends, for your family, even if you're just shopping for yourself. If you're anything like me, I love starting my Christmas shopping early. That way I'm not so stressed out, worried about shipping, worrying about whether my gifts will arrive on time. So definitely get an early start on your Christmas shopping. I have a special offer linked in the description below that you can use at checkout before you purchase your pieces. So make sure to take a look at that below. Real quickly, why you should go with Ana Luisa. I personally like to know where my products are coming from. Their jewelry has exceptional quality. I have a few other pieces from them and I promise you I wear them almost every day, even if I'm just lounging around at home. Their pieces are long lasting and high quality, and a lot of their pieces actually start at just $39, which is something that's really unheard of for luxury jewelry. Materials are made from noble metals and they are carbon neutral. If you don't know what carbon neutral means, essentially means that Ana Luisa gives back everything that they take. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions. We love to see that as well. Overall, Ana Luisa just has a very sustainable mission, which is why it really made sense for me to do a collaboration with them. Not only is it a sustainable jewelry company, but they check the box on everything else. They sell luxury pieces, they're affordable, long lasting, and I also love that there is just something for everyone on their website. There you are looking for something higher end, something simple, classic staple pieces. They have necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, any type of jewelry, you name it. I really don't know if there are any cons to purchasing from Ana Luisa, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing because I have been dying to open this up and see the pieces for myself. Smaller packaging, less waste, more love. We love to see it. Okay, and one thing that I can really appreciate about Ana Luisa are the dust bags that they send their jewelry in. A lot of jewelry companies will just send it in like a tiny plastic bag, and I use these dust bags non-stop whenever I'm going to stay at a friend's house or visit my parents or travel, anything. I always put my jewelry in the dust bags to keep them separated and keep them from tangling up with one another. I decided to go with necklaces this time around with Ana Luisa, and I'll share at the end of the video the other items that I got from them prior, so I'm excited to see which one this is. Ooh, okay, so this one is their Joy necklace, and I personally picked this one, slightly biased because my middle name is Joy, Annamae Joy, but nonetheless I picked it for the necklace itself, so it kind of worked out that the name of it was Joy. This one does start at a retailing price of $75, but again, if you look at my special offer in my description below, then you can use that at checkout. It's just this beautiful heart necklace with a key, and I think it is not too small and not too big. I hate having necklaces that are kind of chunky. It's not my thing. So with this one, I think it's the perfect size, very minimal and very classy. I think it can go with anything, and if you're looking to layer or style your necklaces some more, then it definitely won't be too much going on. Before I take her out of the packaging, I just real quickly wanted to do an up close shot of the necklace before I try it on. So here it is. And let's get the Joy necklace out of her packaging and try her on. Just wanted to show you up close what the necklace looks like, and I really love that the key is in the shape of a heart as well. I think that is so precious. The chain on this one is very lightweight. What I love about Ana Luisa is they always have such good attention to detail. They have Ana Luisa printed on the chain on the back of the necklace as well. And there are 3 different adjustment holes here, so you really don't have to worry about whether the chain is going to be too short, too long. You can adjust it to fit your neck however you wish. So I just put the Joy necklace on and I am so excited. I obviously love the lock necklace, but I think this one has to be my favorite. Here is what it looks like up close. This is just the perfect, most minimal necklace, but it still stands out. I even think this necklace makes for the perfect gift. I would definitely get another one of these necklaces and gift it to a friend or family member. I just think it's really classy and pretty. I think it stands out. Okay, and let's see what's in the second dust bag. We have the key lock gold necklace, and this one starts at a retailing price of $59. And again, this is a really classic, simple piece. It would go really well with stacking other necklaces. And again, what I love about their jewelry is it's not too thick. It doesn't look tacky. It's just very clean and simple and not too minimal. So I really love that it has a little lock and it's just so simple. I think it goes really cute, kind of in the same theme of the Joy Heart necklace. And of course, before I try it on, here is just like a little quick up close view of her. So stinking cute. Also, real quickly, just very attention to detail. I mentioned in my last video that I love is that you can actually see Ana Luisa printed on their jewelry. And here's an up close look of the chain to this necklace, which I think is so cute. I think it goes perfectly with the lock. Okay, and here is what the necklace looks like on. It is so beautiful, so pretty, and it just really added that touch, especially with this top, just because this is a scoop neck top. Whenever you have it bare, I think it's really pretty to add a necklace, and this one actually complements it very well. I love how simple it is, but it really just adds to the outfit itself. I think I'm just going to keep this one on for the rest of the day. Okay, so real quickly before I end this video, I did want to show two other items or pieces that I have from Ana Luisa that I have been loving. Little update from my last video. Yes, still 10 out of 10 would recommend these bracelets that I got from them. This bracelet right here is the Annamae bracelet. It retails for about $59 on their website. It is, in my opinion, one of their thicker bracelets, which I really like, but I have been wearing it by itself. I have been wearing it with the other bracelet I have from them, which is their Uma bracelet, and I really like this one because it's not as thick as the Annamae bracelet, so I think it goes really well with other ones if you're looking to stack. And again, each of these bracelets has a variety of adjustable holes, so that way you can fit it to be perfect around your wrist. This one's a lot more simplistic. As you can see, it just has two little linking chains in the middle, and I have been pairing these bracelets with just about everything, so I'm excited to wear it with these necklaces. So I actually gifted this bracelet to my mother and she loved it. She thought it was beautiful. And real quickly before I end this video, I actually wanted to give a styling tip as to why I think jewelry is such an amazing part of a wardrobe. So I actually made the mistake within the last few years of not ever wearing any jewelry, and I always felt like my outfits were missing something, and I always felt like I needed to go purchase new clothes, or I just felt like my outfits weren't meeting the expectations that I wanted to portray in expressing myself. And it sounds dramatic, but I'm being completely honest, the missing piece was jewelry. When you are wearing really plain items or you have basics or staples, one of the most important tips that I have is adding jewelry to your outfit, adding jewelry to your look. You could be wearing the most basic staple pieces, and if you're wearing a pair of really cute earrings or a bracelet, or you're layering some necklaces, your outfit will just look completely different. It won't look as boring or basic. So that's why I think jewelry is so important, and with the pieces that I've gotten from Ana Luisa, they have really elevated my look, whether I am just wearing something casual, even if I'm in sweatpants and a hoodie. So that is my styling tip for this video, is add jewelry to your outfits. I promise you it'll make the world of a difference. All right, my friends, that is it for my video today. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week, and also don't forget to check out Ana Luisa's website and make sure to use the special offer I have in my description below. With the holidays coming around, I think that Ana Luisa has perfect gifts for everyone, and again, a lot of their jewelry pieces start at just $39. You can wear them dressed up, going out, wear them casually. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in another video soon. Bye!